Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Configuring the Python interpreter is an important step in setting up your development environment. Python interpreters can vary depending on the version of Python being used, the operating system, and any additional packages or libraries installed. Here is a step-by-step tutorial on how to configure the Python interpreter. 1. Install Python. The first step is to install Python on your system. You can download the latest version of Python from the official website, https://www.python.org/downloads, and follow the installation instructions. 2. Check Python version. After installing Python, you can check the version of Python installed on your system by opening a terminal or command prompt and typing the following command. 3. Virtual environments. Optional but recommended. It is good practice to create a virtual environment for each of your Python projects to manage dependencies and package versions. To create a virtual environment, you can use the venv module that comes built in with Python. Here's how you can create a virtual environment. This command will create a new virtual environment named venv. 4. Activate the virtual environment. To activate the virtual environment, you need to run the activation script located in the scripts directory for Windows or the bin directory for Unix-based systems. Run the appropriate command based on your operating system. For Windows. For Unix-based systems. 5. Install packages. Once the virtual environment is activated, you can install any required packages using pip. For example, to install the requests package, you can run the following command. 6. Configure interpreter in IDE. If you are using an integrated development environment, IDE, like PyCharm, Visual Studio Code, or Atom, you can configure the Python interpreter for your project within the IDE settings. This allows the IDE to recognize the correct Python interpreter and provide code completion, debugging, and other features. Here is an example of configuring the Python interpreter in a Python script using the sys module. By running this script, you can see the path to the Python interpreter being used. This can be helpful in ensuring that the correct interpreter is being used in your development environment. By following these steps, you can successfully configure the Python interpreter for your projects and ensure a smooth development experience.